Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Zim Food Network. For those of you who don't know me, I am the host's daughter and I am so incredibly excited and a little bit nervous to be joining you in the kitchen today. My mother has kindly let me take over for this feature to share one of her absolute favourite must-try side dishes, a fresh, crunchy and perfectly creamy red cabbage coleslaw. This coleslaw has a fantastic vibrancy from the red cabbage, a little zing from the dressing, and it is the perfect companion to so many of our Zimbabwean classics. It's also incredibly easy to make, so let's get started. First, we need our beautiful base, a colourful base, which we'll be using with half a head of red cabbage. Now you'll want to thinly slice this. You can use a sharp knife, or if you have a mandolin for super even slices, that works great too. Just watch your fingers as I did here. Next, for a touch of sweetness and colour, we'll add 1 large carrot. We're going to chop this into thin shreds, or you can use the coarse side of your grater. It is all about getting that nice thin texture that blends well with the cabbage. Once you've done that, we will set both of these ingredients aside, then work on the star of the show, which is the dressing. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of Greek yogurt or mayonnaise, add seasoning, salt to taste, chopped garlic, apple cider vinegar, cold pressed olive oil, and sliced onions. And then to finish, we're going to add crushed peppercorns or ground pepper if that's what you have. I added the onions to this to give it a bit of a flavour, and this creates more depth for our salad. And now we're going to combine our ingredients. I did shred half a cucumber off camera using a cheese grater. Just make sure you squeeze out the excess water to keep the salad fresh. I'm going to add in our carrots and essentially mix everything together, including our dressing, and we're going to give this a very gentle toss. You want to make sure that every piece of cabbage, every carrot shred, every bit of the cucumber is lovingly coated in the dressing. To finish it off and to make it look as gorgeous as it tastes, we're going to garnish it with some freshly chopped mint and parsley. This adds such a wonderful fresh aroma. And here we have it, the perfect fresh and crunchy red cabbage coleslaw. This is absolutely fantastic, served with rice and borewors, as you can see here. But it's also amazing with grilled chicken, sadza, or just on its own. It's a real crowd pleaser. If you liked this recipe, please do not hesitate to give it a share. It would mean the world to my mum and to me, and we would absolutely love to know if you give this a try. Leave us a comment down below and tell us what you think. I just want to thank you all so much for watching and for letting me share this with you today. It's been an honor, and until the next video, bye for now.